Hi everyone, it's Rachael Smith with Remax up in Big Bear, and I'm your go-to for all things real estate and short-term rentals. Today we are going to be diving into something fun, the most unnecessary, over-the-top, why is this even here, amenity that keeps showing up in Airbnbs. Because just because you can doesn't always mean that you should, right? So let's get into it. First up, the popcorn machine. Sure, it sounds cute and vintage and fun, but no one wants to figure out how to use a clunky movie-style theater popcorn machine after a long road trip or a long day at the slopes. And the cleanup? Let's just say that buttery mess loses its charm real quick, and if your housekeeper misses it, you're going to be the one in trouble. Next, we have the indoor hammock hanging right inside the middle of the living room. It's quirky, yes. Great for one Instagram story. But after that, it's just a tripping hazard. And if there are kids involved, somebody is definitely going to fall and it's going to be your problem. Then there's, like the popcorn machine, the cotton candy machine. Yes, we've actually seen this in a couple listings up here. And unless your target market is a birthday party for 8-year-olds, maybe just skip it. It's sticky, it'll get on your furniture, it's messy, and nobody wants to read a manual about how to use a cotton candy machine while they are on vacation. Another one that I have seen, mood lighting that's only controllable through an app. Don't get me wrong, I love a good vibe, but if your guests have to download a third-party app, sync Bluetooth, and possibly reset the routers just to turn off the bedroom lights, you've officially gone too far. And while we're at it, can we talk about the 12 remotes on the coffee table and no instructions to any of them? If it takes a degree in electrical engineering to get to Netflix, it's time to simplify. And the bidet. Smarter than most of us. I appreciate luxury, I really do, but if guests are afraid to sit down because the toilet lights up and has settings called oscillating cleanse mode, maybe you should just scale it back just a little bit. So here's the truth. Guests want comfort, simplicity, and a little bit of fun. The best performing Airbnbs aren't the ones with the most gadgets. They're the ones with the best beds, fast Wi-Fi, cozy spaces, and thoughtful touches that actually make life easier. If you're not sure whether to add something to your Airbnb, ask yourself this. Is this going to help my guests relax, or is it going to confuse them? Whether you're launching or leveling up your Airbnb, I'm here just for that. Reach out anytime. And hey, while we're talking about it, what is the weirdest Airbnb amenity that you have ever seen? Let me know. I need a good laugh too. Talk to you soon. Bye.